very personal revelation from Senator Joni Ernst, the Republican from Iowa, now calling herself a survivor of an abusive husband after her divorce papers were released to the public. ABC's Lindsay Davis here with the story. And Lindsay, the senator says this experience has made her more sensitive to these issues, and she shared more of her personal story overnight.
She certainly did. Good morning to you, George. In an interview with Bloomberg, she says she was sexually assaulted in college and didn't want to share it, but she says, quote, "In the era of #MeToo survivors, I always believe that every person is different and they will confront their demons when they're ready."
This morning, Senator Joni Ernst, the first female combat veteran elected to the U.S. Senate, USA, is speaking out, telling Bloomberg about a sexual assault she says she suffered while in college and addressing recent allegations about what she calls an abusive relationship with her estranged husband.
I was now forced out as a survivor, and I think every survivor should have the right to decide when it's their time to tell a story.
This revelation comes just days after divorce filings obtained by the Des Moines Register paint what she called a dark and troubling time in her marriage. The senator saying she was a victim of verbal and physical abuse. Ernst fighting back tears while speaking with reporters.
What I want to remind everybody is that I'm still the same person as I was a week ago. The only difference is that you know more about me now than you did a week ago.
Senator Ernst and her now ex-husband Gail both trade accusations of infidelity. In an affidavit, she claims once they argued and it became physical, and she fled the house with their daughter in the middle of the night. Ernst, long considered a rising star, says in court documents she interviewed to be Donald Trump's running mate. But Ernst says she turned the role down in part because her ex-husband, quote, hated any successes I had and would belittle me and get angry anytime I achieved a goal.
In the affidavit, her ex-husband did not address the allegations of abuse, but says he never had an affair and that he was the one who gave up his goals so that his then-wife could pursue her dreams. We did reach out to him, but he declined to comment.
Okay, Lindsay, thanks very much. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.